Welcome to Growing Old. Our photos are getting big. Let's check them out.
Cause we're planting seeds in sacred ground. We cultivate with purpose, heart and soul. Cannabis as medicine, that's our goal. In our greenhouse, sunshine streams.
Well, here at Growing Old, you know we love our auto pots. And now we have a code that can help you save 10%. Growing Old. Well, okay, so let's start off here again with our first CBD. And if you remember way back when we first started this journey, she was looking terrible, but man, she is prettied up and a little hand watering, and I think she's all good down at the bottom. And I've started doing a little training on her. I mean, she's starting to thicken up. She's not big, but she's gonna be nice. And most of the time, stuff in this corner, it doesn't grow huge, but she's looking really, really nice from what she started. Then here, I just trimmed that one up yesterday, and well, she needs another haircut. It's kind of, it's really windy here, so when the wind blows, it makes all sorts of noises here in the greenhouse. But yeah, she's doing really, really well also, and then she's starting to thicken up all over. But that's another CBD, and she's going to do really, really well. I've started using some of my wire to pull them down. And here we are. That noise, man. And here we are with our first Peyote Forum, and man, she is looking beautiful. I'm loving it. I mean, we look in there, I'm trying to do a whole bunch of training. I mean, there's going to be buds all over. She's starting to get a little thick, everything, and then next one over is the big Peyote Forum, and I've really started to kind of spin her out a little bit, and I'm trying to lengthen her out because she's starting to get kind of tall. This branch, I came out and it like came from nowheres, and it was like this tall, so I had to move it down, and I'll move it over to the net. But yeah, she's looking really, really, really good. And then the final one on this side is Peyote Kush, and man, she is looking really, really beautiful. I mean, after this video, I'm gonna come out here and I'll trim her up a little bit, but man, she's got like sights all over, man. She's gonna be nice and bushy, but I'll trim her down later. And if we come over to this side, here's another Peyote Forum. And this thing was, I thought she was kind of lagging behind, but all of a sudden she's caught a growth spurt, and she's getting thick, getting a lot of nice sights, starting to grow tall. So I'll start trying to move and train some of these. I've already started on the bottom here with some wire. And then our final one, our final Peyote Kush, I don't know, she just looks good, but we've talked in the past about, is she re-vegging, is she just flowering? But if we look down here, we can see that tells me that she's re-vegging, I think. So she's looking really good. I'm not gonna top her. I'm just gonna grow it out like that. She looks really good. But hey, I'd like to say thank you to all our subscribers and viewers. We love you. We love the comments. We're having a blast. Keep the comments coming. Thank you.
Plant seeds in sacred ground. We cultivate with purpose, heart and soul. Cannabis as medicine, that's our goal. In our greenhouse, sunshine streams.